Hello YouTube, this is Vectis 3D Models. This is an instruction video for a new NEM pocket. This pocket is designed to fit a Bachmann N-Class. This model is well over 20 years old now, and the tender does have an NEM pocket, but the front pony truck unfortunately does not. This model was sent in by a customer who hopes I can work my magic on it. So let's get on with this rather simple conversion. So what will you need to convert your N-Class? You'll basically need a servicing cradle just to protect your model, a Phillips screwdriver, some tweezers, and also your purchased NEM pocket. You'll probably also need some glue to fix it in place with, and that's about it. The glue I would probably recommend is Araldite, although if you want to use super glue you can also use that as well. So as mentioned, this is pretty straightforward. So first we're going to take our Phillips screwdriver and we're going to remove the screw that holds the spring as well as the pony truck. This then gives us better access to the tension lock coupling located on the front of the pony truck. Again, you'll need your Phillips screwdriver just to undo the main screw. It's also held in place by two pins either side of the fixing screw. You should simply just pull off, leaving the two pins that you can see on the front. Next part, we'll take our NEM pocket, which has a similar underside to the pattern you saw on the tension lock coupling, and we're just going to test fit it. You may need those tweezers as it is a little bit fiddly. If you just want to make sure that is in place, just use your tweezers and push down. On this next stage we're going to take the pony truck here. We can see now I have not fixed the NEM pocket in place. I've just dry fitted it for now, but it is just being held in by those two pins. I'm going to reassemble and check the heights on a KD height gauge. So I'm just going to reassemble the pony truck onto the model and refit the screw with, of course, the Phillips screwdriver. So you join me here on the other workbench with a piece of 00 code 100 pico track and also the Bachmann N-Class on the right hand side with its converter installed, not glued of course, but just installed as a dry fit. So I am just going to push this model up to the height gauge on the left, which of course is my normal saggy type. Just going to move it up as long as it goes on top of that gauge, as you can see. There we go, nice level, right height, perfect, just what I wanted. And it's back to the other workbench to fix this converter in place. So after completing this N-Class pony truck, I've also discovered through Bachmann Spares that the pony truck coupling on this model is also similar to the Bachmann WD model for 280 also, so this converter can also fit another locomotive with a pony truck, which is the Bachmann WD. So that's a nice little surprise there, just so it fits two locomotives instead of just one. So you join me back in the light box a little bit later in the day. The NEM pocket has now been fixed into position, and I have also fitted a KD coupling into the pocket. This is a KD18, and this just about lines up with the buffer heads where it's supposed to. It's a little bit ahead of it, but every little helps just in case it's a bit too close. Depending on your radius of curves, I would probably recommend between the 18 and the 19. If you have quite tight curves, for example, you probably want to go to a 19 just to give a little bit more distance between buffers so you don't have any buffer lock or anything like that, and derailments of course. KD18 I think will do for most second to third degree radius curves as well. So this is quite a cheap, easy way of converting your N-Class to fit in with the new 00 standards. You can find and buy this pocket on two platforms. One will be my eBay shop, which you can find on the Facebook page, and you can also find it on my main shop, which is Vectis 3D-modelrailshop.co.uk, and all various payment methods will be available from card to Google Pay to Apple Pay and also PayPal. Of course the prices will change depending which platform. They'll be about £1.75 on my main shop and probably just over the £2 mark on eBay once they've added fair cut as well. So thank you for watching. I hope this product is of use to you. If you're interested in more products, please have a look at our website, and if you're interested in new developments and new items coming on stream or coming onto the shop, please sign up to our newsletter where you'll find updates and new products as well as some discount codes as well when we all need them the most. Thanks for watching again, and see you in the next video.